Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by creating one central gain or volume object that every sound channel feeds into. This is the only master control. Once created, attach every source node, track output, or channel strip to that master gain so all audio passes through it. Make sure the master exposes a single numeric parameter you can read and set. This reduces complexity and ensures consistent behavior across sources. It's faster than syncing many independent faders and avoids inconsistent levels when adding new sources. Next, update your audio routing so every playback, synth, effect send, or bus outputs into the master node before hitting the device output. When routing, clamp input values between 0 and 1 and implement a short smoothing glide to avoid clicks when changing volume quickly. Once done, replace any direct-to-output connections with references to the master. Make sure new sources automatically register. This step centralizes control, lets you apply global effects, and guarantees predictable level math across the entire application. Finally, expose that master parameter via a UI slider, hotkey, or API endpoint so you can set, read, mute, or restore volume from one place. Once the interface is active, test with several concurrent sources and add extreme settings to validate behavior. If you encounter silence, make sure each source is connected into the master node and that the master isn't set to 0 or disconnected. Also verify smoothing isn't stuck. One key troubleshooting tip: inspect the audio graph to confirm every output path funnels through the master.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.